Before you even realize it, months of 2026 are already passing by, and you're still writing your goals, project, or study plans in long, boring paragraphs, which means you're wasting both your time and productivity. So stop planning in paragraphs. In today's AI era, turning your messy goals into a clear, actionable roadmap takes just a few seconds. And in today's video, I'm going to show you an AI system that has completely transformed my workflow. It's called EdrawMax by Wondershare, a simple and user-friendly all-in-one diagram software. With this, you can create more than 210 types of diagrams like flowcharts, mindmaps, organizational charts, flow plans, UML diagrams, and much more. And the best part? You get access to 30,000 plus free templates along with AI generation. So you can create professional diagrams within minutes. So without wasting any time, make sure to subscribe to the channel and keep watching the AI learning. Now imagine you're a student or you want to build a learning roadmap for this year. You have multiple goals like learning new skills, preparing for exams, completing projects, and earning certifications. But the problem is everything is scattered. Some things are written in Notion, some in notes, and some are just in your mind, which you don't even remember at the right time. And that's the biggest reason why planning never gets properly executed. So let's build a complete academic planning system using EdrawMax. You can access it from the link in the description or simply search for EdrawMax and land on the official website. After logging in with Google, you'll reach the dashboard, where you'll find the Eddraw AI agent, their built-in AI assistant. Here, you just need to describe your task. For example, I'll type create an academic planning roadmap for 2026, including subjects, skills, exams, and timeline. Then click on generate. Now it processes everything. And within just a few seconds, the AI generates a complete academic planning structure for you. Let's check it out. As you can see, the AI has divided the planning into different phases. It has automatically created a timeline below and even added relevant goals. Now the best part is, this entire diagram is fully editable. You can modify any section you want. For example, I'll edit the core subject selection section. As soon as I click on the edit icon, a professional editing interface opens up. Here you can add symbols, pictures, graphs, text, icons, and more. I'll quickly add my subjects like AI and data science. Similarly, you can add, remove, or customize any section as per your needs. Now let's say I already have a 1-year mathematics plan in Excel format, but I want to convert it into a visual format. So I simply drag and drop the file here. Now there are multiple diagram generation options. To make it more structured, I select timeline and click generate. And within seconds, my entire academic plan is converted into a visual format with multiple output options. You can choose whichever looks best. Now I don't need to read long paragraphs anymore. Everything is clear at a glance. And if you want, you can export it as an image or SVG file. Now, if you want to plan things quickly and in a smart way, whether you're a corporate project manager or a student planning a research semester, you can go to the template section. Here, you'll find 30,000 plus free editable templates. Just search your use case, pick a template, and add your data. For example, if I want to create a research semester plan for my MSc first semester at Delhi University, I'll simply search for research timeline. And as you can see, there are so many professional designs available. I'll select one template and edit milestones like literature review, lab work, and final submission. This way, I don't even have to think about design or layout. And if you want to present or share it with your team, you can directly export it as a presentation. Now let's talk about one of the most mind-blowing features, AI image generation. In EdrawMax, you get an advanced AI assistant powered by their powerful Nano Banana model. Let's see a real use case. Suppose I want to create a thumbnail for this YouTube video. So I go to the AI poster generation tool. The best part is you can customize the aspect ratio based on your needs. Since I need a YouTube thumbnail, I'll select 16:9. Now I just need to write a prompt. For example, a professional YouTube thumbnail for an AI diagramming software tutorial featuring a futuristic roadmap and glowing neon lights. And as soon as I click generate, within seconds, Nano Banana AI creates a stunning poster. And guess what? I actually used this generated image as the thumbnail of this video. So this tool, Wondershare EdrawMax, is very useful for corporate planners, project managers, founders, and students because everything you need is available in one place. And the best part, it works both online and offline. You just choose what suits you. The link is in the description. Go ahead and try Wondershare EdrawMax and take your productivity to the next level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI related content. Thank you so much for watching.